Good afternoon. A very random vlog as this, as you saw from the title. We're in a shopping centre in Milton Keynes. Now I've actually thought about doing a vlog from here quite a few times. When this was built in the 80s, it was the largest shopping centre in Europe, and I think it's still like the 5th or the 6th biggest in Europe. It's massive. It's about half a mile long. There's two sections to it as well, two sides. You can just about see the end of it there. As I pan around now, you can't see the other end of it. It's massive. But one reason why we've come in here today, we are still with Tom and Stacey. You can just about see it popping up here. There's a coaster credit. It's only a little kiddie coaster. It's a caterpillar, big apple, big worm, whatever you want to call it. But it's actually called Shark Bay. It's a brand new one, and it's owned by Keith Emmetts and Sons, who run a very popular fun fair at Christmas time. So we've come, we've basically come to check this credit out. It's about £3 to go. I know a friend of mine, Paul Leahy, came a few days ago, and it's only a 2 lot special for £3, so it's quite expensive for what it is. But it's a new credit, and I don't know how old it is, but it looks pretty new. Well, yeah, there's also a Helter Skelter and a few other rides and things in there. This is actually run by Heart FM, and it's on till the 2nd of September. So yeah, we'll show you around there in a minute. We're obviously going to get something to eat first as well. For not long got up. It's 20 past 1, and we're going to see the Meg later as well at the Cineworld Cinema. And if you've never been to Milton Keynes before, it's a really busy sort of place now. It's technically a suburb of London, so it's cheaper to live here than it is in London. And there's all sorts of stalls and things here you can see, selling all sorts of kinds of stuff. But yeah, amazing. Get something to eat and I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so we're back in this is actually called Middleton Hall, the Centre MK, just opposite John Lewis's, just here. And it's I think it's called The Beach. Yeah, welcome to the beach. So it's basically just a kids fun park really. It's here for the summer holidays, and it's on till the 2nd of September. So you got to get your ride tokens at the beach hut over here. There's a couple of little game stalls and things. Just want to point out, I did actually get told off by a security guard for filming in the shopping centre. So if you are coming here, don't film in the shopping centre. You can obviously film here, because it's a travelling fun fair, but there isn't really that much. There's a Helter Skelter, there's the bungee jumps for the kids, there's a little beach section over there. That's about it really. Oh, there's a train ride here, and obviously Shark Bay coaster just there as well. So you've got the train, all the staff are dressed up in little lifeguard uniforms. Yeah, it's really not much here. If you've got very small children, obviously can come and bring them. Obviously I just said there, it was opposite John Lewis's. So yeah, the parents can sit in Costa Coffee over there, and kids can come on the rides. But you've got some prices up here. I'll probably have a couple of goes on it. I don't really have any information about it. But it's here, GN Juniors Events. There's a website for them there. I think it is owned by Keith Emmetts, but it's Shark Bay. It's basically, like I just said, it's a caterpillar, wacky worm, big apple type ride. I think it's a Pinfari as well, but there's no actual information on the database about it at all. So I've no information at all to give you. Some prices up here. So the train ride's £2, Hooker Ducks £3, bungee trampolines £4, Helter Skelter £2 per person, or £3 for 2 people. Shark Bay Rollercoaster, it's £3 per person, or £5 for 2 people. I think you get a couple of laps on it, and you can pay by card as well. So I'll probably get a couple of tokens, have a couple of goes on it, and then that'll be it really. Just a very short random vlog. I thought I might as well come here. It's a coaster credit. You know, I do collect my coaster credits, so why not? It's something different. so as we're just waiting for our ride, the guy up here recognised me from a few of the fairs that we've already done before. They're normally at Campbell Park. It is a Keith Emmetts. I just asked him, I said, how old's the ride? It's like, it's been in the UK 3 weeks, so it's technically brand new. He's also said that when he bought it, it came with a second train that's Christmas themed, so he could obviously do Christmas themed fairs with it. He also did mention as well, he asked me, he said, do you notice anything different about it compared to a standard Caterpillar? I'm like, well, I'm having a look. It's actually tyre driven. There's no chain on it, it's tyre driven. So yeah, it's something completely different. It's a completely different credit for us. So yeah, I'm just about to go on now. Right, here we go, coaster credit. See if it's any smoother with the tyre driven. Well, it's not really tyres, it's just wheels on it. They're quite clunky with a chain on it. That's very nice, that, very smooth. Here we go. Woo! Oh, lovely little Caterpillar this. It's alright, isn't it? Yeah. Like I was just saying before we came on the ride, it's 3 weeks old. It's been in the UK 3 weeks. Very nice. Awesome. Yeah, what a good little ride that. Like I said, it's here until the 2nd of September. Bring your kids down, come and have a ride on the Shark Bay. Brilliant little ride that. Right, so that was it. Yeah, brilliant little rides that. There's obviously the owner there as well, and the lad inside here. I don't know if he wants to give us a wave. I'll see you later, mate. There you go. Yeah, we're going now because we only put an hour on the car park. Yeah, cracking little coaster. He was saying it cost him 60 grand just for the motors on the side, because obviously it's indoors. They don't want the noise of the chain rattling as well. The next time it's going to be here is a Christmas event, which will be down further down the in the shopping centre. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. Again, a very short little vlog. There's nothing else really for us to go on other than the Helter Skelter. We're off now to see a shark movie, The Meg, at the shop at the Cineworld. Looking forward to that. Next vlog from here, might be doing the Scarrots Fun Fair tonight, which is literally just up the road in Willen Lake. So hope you enjoy that one. Hope you enjoyed Thorpe Park as well. Nice little breeze from that there. But no, brilliant little coaster, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.